You want a good selfie stick with aluminum frame? So I just bought this from Amazon for $19.99. Hi, hello friends, this is Yokes. Welcome to A to Z TV. I'm now going to show you this tripod. Basically it's a selfie stick, so this is like a selfie stick, and which can be used like a tripod as well. And this height, see, look at the height, it's really good. So I'm now going to open this product and show you how this works. And this has a Bluetooth remote as well, so you can link your camera in here, put it in there, you can use your Bluetooth, so you can record the video with the Bluetooth as well. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to unpack this. Let's see, I think, yeah, that's the remote, comes with that. Right, this is the lock. This is basically, it can be used for GoPro cameras, so we have to use this GoPro camera. So the GoPro camera goes in here and this goes into the tripod stand. So this is for GoPro cameras. Yeah, that's the selfie stick. I'm going to open it up. And like, this is the one. So you can fix your phone in. So basically this is not a stretch spring kind of thing. So this is, you have to turn your screw so that distance goes up, so you can insert your phone and then you can tighten it up. And basically, if you see in the back, you can twist this one a little bit, make it loose, and then you can rotate this one as well. So if you lose it, see, you can make this angle as well, whichever way you want. So you can tighten this one up. You can lose it up and then make it straight. So horizontal and landscape videos, this can be used. Okay, that's one part. And now I'm going to open this. Wow, that is impressive. See, nice, very nice. It's very stiff as well. So I can have my camera. Yeah. Let's say, how do we open this one? So yeah, if you see this place, this is where we can fix the remote. Yeah, so you can fix the remote in here basically, and you can record the videos like this. So for now, I am going to check how do we pull out this and make a big one, make a long length. So okay, right, if you see this you can lose a little bit. Yeah, you have to lose as much as possible, and then you can pull this one. Yeah, that's it. So you can pull as much as you can. See, that's a very big length. Okay, so for now I'm just going to show you with a little length, so that, see, you can have it. So I'm just going to close this one and then tighten it up. Right, this is also can be used to record videos like a tripod. So that is why it's called a selfie and a tripod. So if you can open this, if you see at the little bottom, you can just open this one. Right, you can put it like that. Okay, you can put it there like that. So now for the time being, I will show you. Okay, I'm going to take this one and stick it in there. So this, you see, you keep trying this, it won't stick. So you have to put this in. This is where you will tighten the knot. That's it. that's tight. So you can stick your camera to it now. Okay, and then close it like that. That's a selfie stick now. Yeah, and I will show you how to attach the remote to the phone. So what you have to do is you take this key, and there is a little button on the, okay, you turn this on, then the blue light will come on. So that means, so the Bluetooth is activated. So if you hold it down, just press and hold this, it started recording. So once the Bluetooth is connected, you can use this remote to record the video. You can just hide it and just press it, and you can talk in front of the camera. If you like the video, please share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more videos like this.